Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PayPal account to Outlier. First, begin by logging into your Outlier account. Once you are successfully logged in, locate and click on the Payment Settings or Billing section, which is typically found in your account's dashboard or profile menu. From the list of available payment options, choose PayPal to initiate the connection process. This is the first of several straightforward steps to link your account seamlessly and securely. After selecting PayPal, you will be automatically redirected to a secure PayPal login page. Here, you will need to enter your PayPal account's email address and password to log in. It is crucial to carefully review the permissions that Outlier is requesting to ensure you are comfortable with the access being granted. This step ensures the security of your financial information and allows for a smooth, authorized connection between the two platforms, typically taking less than 1 minute. Once you have successfully authorized the connection on PayPal, you will be automatically redirected back to your Outlier account. At this point, you should see a clear confirmation message, often displayed prominently, indicating that your PayPal account has been successfully linked. You can also verify this by checking your payment settings, where your PayPal account should now be listed as one of your active and linked payment options. This confirms the secure and complete integration of your payment method. With your PayPal account now linked, you have the flexibility to manage it within your Outlier settings. You can easily set PayPal as your default payment method for future transactions, making purchases or subscriptions even more convenient. Should your preferences change, you can update or remove the linked PayPal account at any time with just a few clicks. Remember to always keep your billing information on Outlier accurate and current to avoid any service interruptions or payment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.